and welcome to my channel. I'm Cici De Silva and today I'm going to teach you guys how to use my brain hacks to be more productive. My first brain hack is to get enough sleep. Sleep will help your brain to recover and it will also help you with the following hacks that I'm going to mention to you guys. Another tip is to avoid blue light that you find in devices like your phone, the television, and laptop an hour before you go to bed. Blue lights affect your ability to fall asleep. So if you avoid this, it will help you to fall asleep quicker and to get your full 8 hours of sleep that your brain needs. Another tip is to make use of the night mode on your phone. My second hack is to practice mindfulness. So to slow your brain down for short periods of time will help productivity. This will also help your brain to function at a higher rate and to be more productive for an extended time. My next hack is to make use of the memory place technique. This is where you use an image to connect with the important information that you need to remember. The next step is to eat brain food. So to eat nutritious and to eat healthy for your body is very important. But there's certain foods that you can eat to help your brain to function better. Things like omega-3 fatty acids, coffee, blueberries, turmeric, broccoli, pumpkin seeds, dark chocolate, nuts, oranges, green tea, and eggs are very good for your brain, and it will help you to boost productivity. Then my next step is to do puzzles. So puzzles helps you to relax, but it also helps to stimulate your brain. So puzzles stimulate both sides of your brain. It stimulates the creative part of your brain, but also the analytical part of your brain. It also helps you to improve your short-term memory. It also helps you to reconnect the areas in your brain that controls mood, concentration, and motivation, which will help you with productivity. The next step is reading. Reading has loads of benefits for your brain. These benefits include the ability to process information and increase your productivity. It also helps you to visualize ideas and improve creativity. It also improves planning, organization, and decision-making skills. My last hack is to exercise. So exercise is very good for your body, but it also helps to stimulate your brain. It also helps to decrease and combat cortisol, which is the stress hormone. And when you exercise, it also releases a number of chemicals that are very good for your body and your brain. So try to at least exercise once a day. This can be things like walking, running, going for a swim, going to the gym, just dancing. So those are my brain hacks for being more productive. I hope these can help you guys. If you have something extra to add, please leave a comment down below. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.